Welcome to Code Bits. Today, we're diving into the world of Python with some quick and essential syntax. Let's start. Alright, first up, variables. They're like little storage bins for your data. First, we create a variable named age and put a value to it. Then we add another variable that is for the name. Now let's use those variables and print it. Now the output would look something like this. But how did that happen? Well, let me explain it to you. In the first line of code, it declares the value 25 to the variable age, and the line name equal John declares the value John, which is a string to its respective variable. Now in the last line where we print the code, we first put the syntax print with open and closing parenthesis. Inside it, we put the letter F. This is an F string, a feature introduced in Python 3.6 for easy string formatting. It allows you to embed expressions inside string literals using curly braces. And then we add the text and variables we want to show inside the console. And there you have it, a simple understanding about variables and how to use it. Subscribe for more upcoming programming code bits.